Why we are using overlap add and overlap save method? Why we are using this, or why we are doing this?
So are you presenting the screen?
Yeah, yeah. Just hold on. Let me share the screen.
Okay, sir.
Why we are using, guys? Why we are
So that
using
we
this?
can compute, so that we can compute larger sequences
Yeah, yeah,
by
yeah,
dividing into
yeah,
smaller.
yeah, yeah. That is the use of this overlap save and overlap add method. So you can use the large sequence to compute the convolution, or to find out the DFT we can use the larger sequence. If it is a more than 8 point, okay, or it is a more than 10 or 20 points, so in that case this method will give you the answer. Okay, so this method will be quite useful, okay, if you are using larger sequence. Okay, so this was the question. Okay, so here just you need to focus on the sequence, this sequence 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3. So you can observe this is a more than 8 points. Okay, almost 10 or 12 points are there. Okay, and h of n is 1 comma 2 comma 3, like this sequence is there. So this sequence is quite larger. Okay, so to find out the convolution of this sequence, you need to use overlap add and overlap save method. Okay, if sequence is quite larger. Okay, so in that case what you need to do, you need to break that sequence, that x of n you need to break. Okay, so see here, for example, you are having x of n something from 1 to something 12. Okay, like this your x of n is there, and h of n I'm taking simple one to reduce the calculation part. Okay, so I'm taking simple one. You can take the same question and you will get the same answer by both the methods. Okay, in last lecture I told you one method, that is overlap save, I think, and now I will take the overlap add method. Okay, so like this sequence is there. Okay, this is your h of n, this is your x of n. But here total how many elements are there? It is starting from 1 and total 12 elements are there. Okay, so this is a quite larger sequence. If you observe, it is a quite lengthy sequence. Okay, so what you can do, you can consider this element from the x of n, L element you can consider, and from h of n you can take this size as a m, capital M. Okay, so m minus 1 zero padding you need to do on the sequence. If you are using, means this x of n, this x of n entire block you need to uh, distribute in the smaller block. Okay, or you need to form the smaller blocks from this x of n, and that will be x1 of n, x2 of n, and so on. Okay, so like this, and depending upon the size of this h of n. Okay, so 3 elements are there, so 3 minus 1, that means 2, 2 0 you need to pad over here. Okay, now if you are using overlap save method, so before the sequence you need to do the zero padding, and if you are using overlap add method, so after the sequence you need to do
So
the
can
zero
you
padding.
solve
Okay,
this in Paint?
so as color, this color.
तो सर पेंट में सॉल्व कर सकते हो क्या? ऐसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah, actually we can use Google Jamboard, but what happened while using this Google Meet, so that reduces the speed. That's why I'm not using, because previously I used to that Google Jamboard. Okay, so it is not responding properly. That's why I'm not using that one. Otherwise, that can be the, we
So
can
we can
save,
use
and
Paint now.
after the lecture. Yeah, yeah, Paint also we can use. So that thing we can save, and after the lecture also that will be available for you to the for the as a study material. Okay, paint. basically it reduces the speed, that's why it's not responding properly. या अभी इसकी मेरे को आदत नहीं है, सो okay, so some sequence is there. Okay, so I'm writing that sequence. Why it is not writing? Okay, so we are having sequence that is x of n is equals to, I think it will be difficult for me to write. Okay, so up to 12, this is your x of n. Okay, so this is your x of n 1 to 12. Okay, so this sequence is your x of n. Okay, now this sequence is quite larger. Okay, so then h of n also given. Okay, so h of n, you need to observe the size of the h of n. Okay, so size of the h of n, we are taking only 3 element. Sorry, so size length will be 3, 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so length will be 3 over there. Okay, so this is your h of n. And for the convolution we are having formula that is y of n is equals to x of n and then the convolution h of n. Okay, so that thing you need to do, and it will be quite simple if you use the matrix method for the calculation part. Okay, so h of n, you can use any method, but matrix method will give you the answer easily. Okay, in a less steps. Okay, so this is your x of n and h of n. So x of n, as I told you, quite larger, so you can divide it in a number of blocks, x1 of n, x2 of n. Okay, so while dividing, you need to take care of the length of the sequence, and all the blocks should be the same length. Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can observe the size of this h of n. Okay, and from that you can do the m minus 1, means by reduce, you can consider this size as a m, and by reduction of one element, m minus 1. So here size of this m is 3, so this will be 3 minus 1, so this will be 2. So 2 0 padding over here you need to do. Okay, now if you are using, or if you are doing overlap save method, so in that case, before the sequence you need to do the 0 padding, and if you are doing by overlap add method, so after the sequence you need to do the 0 padding. Okay, so here 1 to 12 sequence is there. So if you are forming this x1 of n, so for this, for the overlap save method, before the sequence, okay, before the sequence you need to add 2 0. We are making this this x1 of n of the 4 size. Okay, you can make it 5 also, you can take it 5, no issue. Okay, so we are taking right now, we are taking this sequence of the 4. Okay, so what you can do, for overlap save method 2 0 before the sequence you need to add, and for overlap add method, as I told you in last lecture, overlap save, so I'm right now I am going to take the overlap add method. So here if you are making the sequence, this sequence of the 4, okay, then 2 elements and 2 0 you need to do the padding. I am making this sequence x1 of n of the 5 size. Okay, so I will take 3 elements and 2 0 padding. After the sequence I will do the padding. Okay, so 2 0 padding means 2 sequence. Okay, so this will be your x1 of n. Okay, then x2 of n, in the same manner you can form the x2 of n. Okay, so that x2 of n will be 4 comma 5. It is that size is quite larger, so it is I think it is same thing whatever I am writing on that desktop. So same thing in Paint we are having same. Here I can have some color combination choice, nothing else. Okay, so 4 5 6 and 3 zeros are there. Okay, so all the times you, oh sorry, 2 zeros, only 2 zeros, because m minus 1 is 2, so we are doing only 2 zero padding. Okay, so in the same manner you can take the x3 x4, okay, and so on. So this is 9, and I'm taking directly x3. After x3 I'm taking x4. Okay, so x4 will be over here. X3 will be 7 8 9, and x4 will be 10 11 and 12. 10 comma 11 comma 12. Like this sequences you can form for the overlap add method. Okay, now by using matrix method you can find out from this x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n, and x4 of n. From this you can form the, or you can find out the convolution, that is y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n. These things by using convolution, by using matrix method you can find out y1 of n. I will show you one calculation, others you can do. Okay, so y1 of n is nothing but the same formula you need to use, x1 of n in a matrix method, h of n in a multiplication. So this will give you the convolution in a matrix if you are writing. So matrix multiplication will be there. So you need to write the h of n. So I have taken all ones are there, so there will that will reduce your calculation part. 1 1 1, and then as a sequence is of the size of 5. So h of n also need to make the length of the 5. So here 0 comma 0 you need to do the padding on over there, 0 padding. Okay, so like this 5 elements will be there. Then last element will be the first for the next column. Okay, and matrix will be the of the size of 5 by 5. Okay, I'm doing minor changes from the last lecture. You can make the sequence of 4, size of 4 also. Okay, if you are making the size of 4, so here you need to take the 2 elements, 2 0 padding, 2 zeros will be there. Okay, and here instead of x of 4 it will go up to the x of 6. Total 6 sequences will be formed. Okay, and you will get almost same answer. No, means same answer you will get. Just you while किसी का माइक ऑन है, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Yeah, please keep mute yourself. Okay, so like this sequence you take. Then last element for the next column, last element will be the first. You know this method. Then all 3 1 will be there. Then 0. Okay, so then this element will be the first one. Then the previous column 0, and then all ones will be there. Okay, then this one will be the first element. Then 0 0 1 1. Okay, then in next one this will be 1 1, then 0 0, and last one will be last element will be 1. So this is your h of n, and x1 of n, this is also known to you, so you can use over here. So this will be something 1 2 3. You can do these calculations 1 2 3 and 0 0. Okay, so from this you can calculate y1 of n. Okay, so from here you will get the y1 of n. Okay, so for that what you need to do, this element, this row you have to take on this column. Okay, so this first one, so 1 into 1, so these two will be 0. then last two will be 0. So this first element will be, for this first element will be 1. Okay, then second row on this column, okay, so that will be 1 plus 2, and all this value will be 0. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Okay, then the third row on this column, okay, so for third row 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so others will be 0. So this will be 6. Then the next row on this column, okay, so first element will be 0, then 2 plus 3, so 5. So this will be 5, and last one will be 0. Okay, then this one, this last row on this column, okay, so the first two is 0, so this will be 3 simply, and last two is also 0, so this will be simply 3. 1 3 6 5 3. Are you getting the same answers?
Yeah, sir.
Is there any doubt in this calculation? Yeah. So in the same manner, you can calculate y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n, up to the y4 of n. Okay, and after getting all these results, what you need to do, you need to write all these results, combine in this form like this: y1 of n, y1 of n. So whatever y1 of n you have, you got, you need to write over here, that is a 1 3, give some space, 1 3 6, then 5, then 3. Now right now I am not having answer for y2 of n, so I will take randomly answer, because you will get some values like this. Okay, so while writing y2 of n, what you need to do over here, you have done the 2 zeros. By using 2 zeros, you have done the zero padding. Okay, so 2 numbers you need to skip this 2 number, and you have to write y2 of n from here. Okay, for example, we are having some values, I am taking some random values. It is not the correct answer, but you can find out the correct answer, and you can take that values over here. Again, size will be the same, so 5 elements are there, so here also you will get the 5 elements. Okay, so I am taking random values, but you can calculate and you can take the appropriate values. This is y2 of n. In the same manner, you need to write the y3 of n. While writing the y3 of n, again 2 sequences from the last one you need to skip, and y3 of n you need to start from here. Okay, because you have done the zero padding by using 2 zeros. If you are using 3 zeros, for example, here h of n is having size, one more one is there, so size of this h of n will be 4. Okay, so this will be 4 minus 1, so this will be 3. Okay, so you need to do the 3 0. By using 3 0, you need to do the zero padding over here. Okay, and here yeah, so you can use the 3 zeros. Okay, if you are using the 3 zeros, so your sequence will start from here, and next sequence again 3 elements you need to skip. Okay, and at the end you need to write the y3 of n and then y4 of n. All the sequences whatever you obtain by the convolution, all the convolved sequence you need to write over here, and then in the same manner you need to write. Okay, and then you need to add all this. Okay, while adding, this value will be as it is, this value will be as it is. Here this will be 1 plus 6, so this will be 7, this will be 7, like this. Okay, and here your next sequence will also start, so this will be 3 plus 4 plus 1, something like this. Okay, so like this you can get your final answer. So this is a method how you can find out the, or how you can solve the overlap add. Okay, numerical based on overlap add method. Okay, so same thing is there. Okay, here also we try to solve the same thing. Okay, so this is the sequence. Now if you want here, what you can do, you can take the yeah, so this is the sequence. Here you can take this length quite larger, so that it will reduce your size. Okay, here if you are taking x1 of n of the sequence 6. Okay, so x1 of n you are taking of the size 6, so 6 size you are taking for the x1 of n. Okay, so for that 2 zeros and 4 elements we are taking from here, 4 elements. Okay, So first four elements you can write 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Okay, then 0 0. How many 0? 2 0, because h of n is of 3 size, so m minus 1, so this will be 2 zeros are required over here. Okay, then for x2 of n, same. This is for add method. Okay, if you are doing the same method, what you need to do, before the sequence you need to do the zero padding. Okay, and after getting all the result, you need not to be add, you need to discard and save the values. Okay, so जितने जीरो का आप लोगों ने जीरो पैडिंग किया है, उतने एलिमेंट्स आपको डिस्कार्ड करने हैं हर इसके आउटपुट से, और बचे हुए एलिमेंट्स उसका आंसर देंगे. करेक्ट है? समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Is the
Yes, sir.
yeah. So if you are doing overlap save method and you are getting some answer, okay, so in that case कितने जीरो यूज करके आपने जीरो पैडिंग किया है
आप
बिफोर
पूरा
द
solve करके
सीक्वेंस,
दिखाओ
सो
ना.
that elements you, yeah, I'm going for that, no issue. Okay, so this is what, this is 4 and 2 zeros. Okay, then you can take the next sequence. Okay, so 4 elements again I am taking, and in next one also I will take the four elements. Okay, so here you can write this x2 of n. This size you can decide, but all the blocks should have same size. Okay, and zero padding you can do from here. Okay, from the size of this. Okay, so here you can write this as a 3 comma, this sequence will be 3 comma minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 1. Okay, and then after that 2 zeros, m minus 1, m is 3, so this will be 2 zeros, so 2 zeros you need to use over here. Okay, so this will be your second sequence. In the same manner you can take the third sequence. For third sequence, so this will be 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. So this will be your third sequence, and on that you need to take the 2 zeros. Okay, now your h of n is only of 3 size. Okay, so for the convolution, what you need to do over here, that h of n you need to make it of 6, length should be 6. So 1 2 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3, so this will be as it is, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and 3 zeros you need to add, because we need the same sequence. Okay, so 3 zeros you need to add over here. Okay, no issue, you can make this x1 of n of 4 size, as I told you in last lecture. You can make it of 4 size, so you can take 2 elements and 2 zero paddings you can do. You can make it of the size of 5 also. In that case, what you can do, 3 elements you can take from x of n, and you can add 2 zeros. Okay, so size will be 5. So right now, to reduce these terms x1 x2 x3, to reduce these terms, I have taken this size quite larger. I have taken this length of x1 x2 x3, that is a 6. Okay, in that we are taking 4 elements from the x of n and 2 zeros. Okay, so now by using matrix method you can solve this, and you can find out the component y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n. Okay, so we will try to find out that components. For that you need to write the h of n properly. Okay, so now to find out the y1 of n, again circular convolution. So to find out the y1 of n, you need to write h of n in a matrix form. Okay, so while writing the matrix form, what is the size of h of n? That is a 6. So total how many? 3 and 3 zeros, so 6, size is 6. So you can write this as a 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then 3 zeros are there, 0 0 and 0, like this. Okay, then for next element, 0 will be the first one, this last element will be the first, and then previous column will be as it is, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, 0 and 0, like this. Okay, So next row will be 0, okay, then 0, 1, 2, then 3, and last element will be 0. So here first element will be 0, then the previous column, so that will be 0, 0, then 1, then 2, last element will be 3. Then here for next row, next column, so this will be 3, last element will be the first one, then 0, 0, 3 zeros are there, 0, then 1 and 2. Then for last this will be the last column, so this will be 2, then 3, then 0, 3 zeros are there, 0, and then last element will be 1. Okay, so h of n, this matrix will be same for y of n, y2 of n, y3 of n. For all the values this matrix will be the same. Okay, what will be the change? X1 of n you need to write over here. Okay, and for the y2 of n you need to write x2 of n, y3 of n you need to write x3 of n, and you need to do this calculation. Okay, so here you can write your x1 of n. So what was the x1 of n? That was 1, 2, first 4 elements and then 0 padding. Okay, -1, then 2, and how many zeros are there? 2 zeros.
2 zeros.
Okay, yeah, 1, 2, -1, 2. Okay, now you can do this calculation. Okay, so you will get total 6 elements. Okay, so first one is 1, then 3 zeros are there, so 1 into 1, so first one will be 1, then 3 will be zeros, then 3 and fifth number, so here 0 zeros are there, so this 2 will be also 0, so 1 into 1, so you will get the first value 1. You can verify your previous answer with the overlap save method से जो आंसर मिला था, you can verify with that. Okay, final answer you will get the same. Okay, then second row on this column, so for second row also this will be 2 plus 2, so this will be 4, and others are 0, lastly 0, so it will be 4. Okay, so 1 plus 4. So then third row on this column, so first 3 elements are there, so this will be 3 plus 4, then -1, so 6, so this will be 6. You can check it. Okay, then the fourth element on this column, fourth row on this column, so that will be first element is 0, then 6, then this will be -2 and 2, so this will be cancelled and this will be simply 3. Okay, this is all about the fourth, and then the last one, correct? Then the last one, all 3 0, then 3 into 2, so this will be 6. Okay, so this is all about your y1 of n. Okay, now for y2 of n. Okay, for y2 of n you need to change only this one, x2. This is x1 of n, this is right now this is x1 of n, so instead of this you can take x2 of n, and in x2 of n this will be changed. This 4 element you have already taken. Okay, now this next 4 you need to take along with the 2 zeros. Okay, so if you calculate, so here you will get y2 of n. Okay, so I am just giving comma and writing the y2 of n. You can solve it in your notebook. Okay, you can solve it. Okay, so for y2 of n, so these values will be changed. Okay, for y2 of n, so this will be 3. I'm discarding this one to avoid the confusion. Okay, so last will be 0 0, but this will be 3 minus 2. This is a -2, then -3, this is a -3. Okay, and then last one is a -1. minus 1, and then 0 0 will be as it is 0 0. Okay, so these values are as it is 0 0. Okay, so 3 minus 2 minus 3, these values, actually this one, 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, now you again same method is there. H of n will be same. Okay, same h of n you need to write in below steps. Means here you need to write y2 of n is equals to this matrix and then this one जो मैंने correction करके लिखा, and then here you need to write your final answer, and that will be you can multiply with this on this. Okay, so all this will be 0, 3 into 1, so the first element will be 3. Okay, then for second one, first two elements, so this will be 6 and minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2, so this will be 4. Correct, eh? You can verify it. Then first three elements on this first three elements. Okay, so 3 into 3, so this will be 9, then minus 4, so this will be 5, and then minus 3, so this will be simply 2.
1.
Correct है, 1 रहेगा. 9 minus 4, so that will be 5. 1 into minus 3, so 2 रहेगा, I think. Please check it. Okay, then the fourth one, this row. Okay, so this is a 3 2 1. Okay, so first element is 0 because this is 0. Okay, then 3 minus 2, so this will be minus 6. Then this is also minus 6, then minus 1, so minus 13. Check it, कहीं कुछ प्लस तो नहीं हो गया? All three are the negative, so this will be 4 6 6 and minus 1, so minus 13. Okay, please check it. Then the next one, this row you can take. Okay, so first 2 is 0, then 3 2, so here minus 6, and this will be also minus 6. Okay, so this will be minus 12, and next will be zeros. Oh, one will be there or not? So first 2 will be 0, then first 2, yeah, so you need to multiply with this, so this will be minus 9 and minus 2, so this will be minus 11. So next will be minus 11. Please check it. If you have written separately, you can easily check. Okay, then the last row on this column, so first 3 will be 0, then the last 2 will be 0, so this 3 minus 1, so this will be minus 3. Okay, in same manner you can take this sequence also. Okay, here instead of x2 of n, now you can take the x3 of n. Okay, so I will write x3 of n over here, and I will show you the same calculation. Okay, so x3 of n, so this will be 1. x3 क्या होगा? 1, again 1, then 2, then minus 1, and last two elements will be 0 0. Correct, eh? Now here you can write the y3 of n, or you will get the y3 of n. Okay, so what will be the values of y3 of n? H of n will be same, just here you need to write the x3 of n. x3 of n क्या होगा? ये 4 sequence, उस पे 2 zeros add करना है. Okay, so if you take the multiplication with this one, so first row on this column, so that will be 1 into 1, other values will be 0, so this will be simply 1. Okay, then the second row on this column, so for second row also 2 elements will be there, so that is a 2 plus 1, so this will be 3, so second row will be 3, second value will be 3. Then for this one, so this will be 3 into 1 3, then 2, then 2, so this will be 3 plus 2 5, then plus 2 7, so this will be 7. Third element will be 7. Okay, then the next one, fourth row, on this column. So first element is 0, then 3 into 1, so this will be 3, then plus 2, so 5, and plus 2, so this will be again 7, 137. Okay, so पहला किया verify, so this is also 7, and here also, so minus 1 is there. Okay, so this value, so first element is 0, this 3 you need to take, so this will be 3 plus 4 minus 1, so 6. Then this one, so here first two elements will be 0, then 3 into 2, so 6 minus 2, so this will be 4. You can verify it, okay. Then first 3 is 0, then this 3 will multiply with the minus 1, and last 2 will be 0, so this will be minus 3. Okay, so please verify it if any correction is there, so please verify it. So you need to write y1 of n first of all. Okay, so this is your y of 1 of n, this one, first column, this is y1 of n, this is y2 of n, and this is y3 of n. Okay, so you need to write the y1 of n here, so this will be 1, 4, 6, then 3, and then 6. Okay, then y2 of n, you need to write the y2 of n. And while writing y2 of n, what you need to do, in overlap add method, how many zeros you have added on the sequence? 2 zeros. In x1 of n, x2 of n, we are adding 2 zeros. Okay, so 2 numbers you have to skip from the output. Okay, in overlap add. And if it is an overlap save, so you need to discard this one, and from this it will be the answer. Okay, so these values you need to write. Okay, in the next one also, first 2 elements you need to discard, and next 3 will be the output. Then y3 of n, same 2 element for the overlap save, but for overlap add, addition is there. Okay, so what you need to do, second sequence you have to write, and while writing first 2, because 2 zeros, if you have added 3 zeros, so first 3 elements you need to skip. Okay, but we have added 2 zeros, so first 2 elements you need to skip, and you have to write y2 of n from here. So this will be 3, then this will be 4, then this will be 2, then this will be minus 13, then minus 11, and then minus 3. Okay, then after y2 of n, y3 of n you need to write. Again same thing from the previous one, these 2 values you need to skip, and you have to start writing y3 of n from here. Okay, so first value is 1, then second value is 3. Okay, then next value is 7, then next value is 6, then next value is 4, and last value is minus 3. So you can check this answer with your previous overlap save method also. Okay, so first value you will get 1 as it is, then 4, this is your y of n. अब ये क्या रहेगा, y of n. This is your final answer, y of n. This is your answer of convolution, so this is y of n. Okay, so first element is 1, 4 as it is, then this will be 6 plus 3, 9, then 4 plus 3, so this will be 7. Okay, then this will be 6 plus 2 plus 1, so this will be 9. Let's check it, is this correct or not. 6 plus 2, then minus 13 plus 3, so this will be minus 10, then minus 7 plus 4, so this will be 7, minus 11 plus 7, so this will be minus 4, then minus 6 plus minus 3 plus 6, so this will be 3, then 4, then minus 3. So this is how you can get the answer by the overlap add method. If you are using overlap save method, so what you need to do for overlap save method, first 2 elements you need to discard. Okay, and then next will be your answer. In that answer you can write. Okay, But there you will get this y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n, something different, because you are doing the zero padding before the sequence. Okay. Okay, so this is all about the this overlap add and overlap save method. Okay. In the next lecture we will start with the FFT. Okay. Radix 2 point decimation in time, decimation in frequency, FFT, fast Fourier transform. Okay. So roll number 10, are you there? A division 10, roll number Gupta Shivam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shivam, what is the difference in overlap add and overlap save? What we are technically while doing the zero padding, what is the difference?
सर वी
क्या चेंज है दोनों में?
इन सर साइन का डिफरेंस है ना.
साइन का डिफरेंस नहीं, साइन का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. ओवरलैप ऐड और ओवरलैप सेव में दोनों में जीरो में क्या डिफरेंस आएगा? जो जीरो पैडिंग करते हैं अपन, जीरो पैडिंग करते वक्त क्या डिफरेंस आएगा दोनों में? गुप्ता राहुल, आर यू देयर?
यस सर.
गुप्ता शिवम ध्यान दो लेक्चर में अटेंटिव रहो. राहुल, what will be the difference in between overlap add and overlap save in terms of zero padding? Be attentive, please be attentive. बहुत सिंपल है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. दुबे अविनाश, आर यू देयर? Omkar, you are not responding, that means you are
Yes,
not
sir.
there. That's yeah. Omkar, please, what will be the difference?
Sir, overlap save procedure cuts the signal into equal length.
दोनों में करते हैं, दोनों में सिंबल इक्वल लेंथ में कट करना है आपको, चाहे ऐड हो चाहे सेव हो. In terms of zero padding, what will be the difference? Ghosh Prashant, are you there? If you are not attending, so it is meaningless. Okay. That's why I'm asking to keep your camera on, so that I can monitor where you are attending or not. Okay, घर पे हो, सब चीज़ें रिलैक्स हैं, मस्त आराम से अटेंड कर सकते हो. फिर भी आप लोग लेक्चर में अगर अटेंटिव नहीं हो तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. लास्ट में यही डाउट लेके फिर से मेरे पास आओगे कि सर ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है. हार्डली एक न्यूमेरिकल दिया है आप लोगों की बुक में, लोकल पब्लिकेशन. साहिल,
Yeah, yes, sir.
व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? सेम क्वेश्चन टू यू.
सर ओवरलैप ऐड में सर सिग्नल है ना इक्वल लेंथ में कट होता है. Like,
सब में इक्वल लेंथ में ही कट होगा सीक्वेंस. ओके, चाहे ओवरलैप सेव रहे चाहे ऐड रहे, सब में सीक्वेंस जो है आपका इक्वल लेंथ में ही आपको कट करना है. ओके.
yeah, yes, sir.
तिवारी शिवम, आर यू देयर? Tiwari Shivam, are you there?
Yes,
I am asking in terms of zero padding. What is the difference between overlap add and overlap save? Same question to you, Shivam, Tiwari.
Sir,
Shah Jugal, are you there? No, Rahul, you are not correct. ओवरलैप सिग्मा इक्वल लेंथ ओवरलैप ऐड में इक्वल होता होगा बट ओवरलैप नहीं होगा। नहीं, दोनों में आप जीरो पैडिंग कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स ओवरलैप है, इसीलिए तो डिस्कार्ड कर रहे हैं। ओके, इन ओवरलैप से व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर डिस्कार्डिंग सम वैल्यूज, ओके, एंड अदर वैल्यूज वी आर सेविंग एज अ आउटपुट। ओके, एंड इन ओवरलैप ऐड व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, by skipping some terms we are writing the word value and we are adding that one, as I told you right now. Okay, so in both the values aliasing is there, overlapping is there, that's why name is overlap save, overlap add. Overlap in both the methods are there. Okay, so what is the difference? Simple question is to you all. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। अभी अटेंडेंस कम होते जा रहा है, जैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ ना, एक एक गायब हो रहे हैं। डोंट डू दैट, बी अटेंटिव इन अ लेक्चर, अदरवाइज इट विल बी मीनिंगलेस। गाइस डोंट डू दैट। घर पे वो सब चीज़ें रिलैक्स हैं, सो इससे भी टीचर का भी मूड चला जाता है ना, इससे भी टीचर को भी वो एनर्जी, अगर आप सुन ही नहीं रहे हो तो फिर वो क्यों इतना एफर्ट लेके अपना एनर्जी वेस्ट करेगा। फ्रॉम बी डिवीजन, लेट मी चेक। चक्रवर्ती, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same question to you. कितनी बार बताया, इसी लेक्चर में मैंने कम से कम 7 से 8-10 बार उस चीज़ को रिपीट किया मैंने। In terms of zero padding, see, if you are using overlap add method, so you have to do the zero padding after the sequence. First you need to write the sequence. Okay, first you need to write the sequence and then you need to do the zero padding over here. See here, this is your x1 of n, 1 से 12 नंबर लिए थे मैंने। पहले क्या किए, x of n से सीक्वेंस लिया 1 2 3 और उस पर जीरो पैडिंग किया है। मीन्स जीरो पैडिंग यू नीड टू डू द लेटर इफ यू आर यूजिंग द ओवरलैप ऐड मेथड, बट इफ यू आर डूइंग द ओवरलैप सेव मेथड लाइक यूर प्रीवियस लेक्चर, सो क्या किया था, पहले आपको 0 0 लिखना है, जीरो पैडिंग यू नीड टू डू द बिफोर। ओके, और कितने जीरोज लिखना है वो एच ऑफ एन पे डिपेंड करेगा। एच ऑफ एन में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं, 3, सो दिस विल बी 3 - 1, सो 2, सो 2 जीरोज लिखना है। अगर ओवरलैप ऐड यूज़ कर रहे हो, सो आफ्टर द सीक्वेंस, पहले आपको सीक्वेंस लिखना है, ये जो सीक्वेंस है उसमें से एलिमेंट्स ले लेना है एंड देन जीरो पैडिंग यू नीड टू डू। ओके, सो मैंने साइज इसका 5 रखा है, तो 3 एलिमेंट्स लिए 2 0, 3 एलिमेंट्स 2 0, 3 एलिमेंट्स 2 0, लाइक दिस सीक्वेंस you can form. Okay, if you are doing overlap save method, if you are using overlap save method, so in that case first you need to write 0 0 and then this sequence 1 2 3, x2 of n क्या होगा, 0 0 4 5 6 फॉर ओवरलैप सेव। ओके, सो क्या डिफरेंस है, ओवरलैप सेव में आपको सीक्वेंस से पहले 0 ऐड करना है और ओवरलैप ऐड में क्या होगा, सीक्वेंस के बाद 0 ऐड करना है। जीरो पैडिंग जो है ये सीक्वेंस के बाद करना है आपको ओवरलैप ऐड में। सो ये बेसिक डिफरेंस है। ओके, अनिरुद्ध पांडे, आर यू देयर? अनिरुद्ध पांडे, सोलंकी, बी डिवीजन के बच्चों को यही दिक्कत रहती है, मैथमेटिकल सब्जेक्ट बोले तो वो गायब ही रहते हैं, सिर्फ लॉगिन करके। इससे कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला है। इज देयर एनी डाउट?
यस सर, या
हाँ प्लीज़
वो पैडिंग में कितना लेना रहता है? क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग डिफरेंट आंसर, एक्चुअली आंसर्स आर नॉट 10.
फॉर व्हाट you are getting different answer?
For add.
See, depending upon the size of the sequence, what you can do, as you have taken in 4 size in overlap sequence जो x1 of n, x2 of n, you have formed in overlap save method by the 4 size. So here also you can form the 4 sides, you will get the same answer. Okay, otherwise what you can do, if you are taking block of the 6, so there also you can take the block of the 6, you will get the same answer. Okay, means same size. Here it is on you कि ये जो है ये x of n ये कितने के ब्लॉक में मुझे डिवाइड करना है. ये लेंथी सीक्वेंस है, अभी इसमें कुछ 10-12 एलिमेंट है, तो ये मुझे कितने के ब्लॉक्स में डिवाइड करना है, ये आपके ऊपर है. ओके, एंड जीरो पैडिंग जो है वो इस पे डिपेंड है. एच ऑफ एन जो है उसकी जो साइज़ है, उसकी जो लेंथ है, उसमें से एक माइनस करना है. ओके, सो अभी इसमें 3 एलिमेंट्स है, सो जीरो पैडिंग जो है आपको 2 जीरोज़ का करना है. सो 2 जीरोज़. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे मैं 4 का एक्स ऑफ एन जो है इसका मैं 4 का अगर करता हूँ तो 2 एलिमेंट लूँगा और 2 जीरो पैडिंग करूँगा. अगर ओवरलैप सेव मेथड कर रहा हूँ तो पहले ज़ीरो लूँगा, अगर ओवरलैप ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो बाद में ज़ीरो लूँगा. 1 2 0 0. सो ये मेरा फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस हो जाएगा फॉर ओवरलैप ऐड मेथड. इफ़ आई एम यूजिंग ओवरलैप सेव मेथड तो सेम सीक्वेंस को आपको कैसे लिखना है, 0 0 1 2 लाइक दिस. If you are making the same blocks, same length blocks, so you will get the same answer. Okay, ध्रुमिल 4 साइज का लेके देखो, आपको सेम आंसर मिलेगा. लेंथ जो है या लेंथ जो है अगर सेम साइज का लोगे तो आपको सेम आंसर मिलेगा. ओके, एक्स ऑफ एन का लेंथ. ओके, सो फॉर बोथ द मेथड यू नीड टू कीप द सेम लेंथ. इफ यू आर टेकिंग 5, so 3 elements you need to select 3 elements and then 2 zeros. Correct?
And while computing the total final answer, like how many elements do we have to skip? Is there any specific formula for that?
How many elements we need to
Skip, yes sir.
Yeah. For that now, how many zeros you have added, you have to remember that. Okay, so जैसे कि यहाँ पे है तो मैंने 2 जीरो ऐड किए हैं इस पे, तो जब मैं y ऑफ n सारे ऐड करूँगा तो 2 वैल्यूज़ आपको स्किप करके नेक्स्ट y जैसे कि y1 ऑफ n लिखा तो y1 ऑफ n के 2 वैल्यूज स्किप करना है. उसके बाद y2 ऑफ n लिखना है. y3 ऑफ n के लिखते वक्त y2 ऑफ n के 2 वैल्यूज स्किप करना है और ये लिखना है. ठीक है, अगर ये ओवरलैप ऐड के लिए, अगर ये सेव के लिए कर रहे हो तो फर्स्ट 2 वैल्यू डिस्कार्ड करना है क्योंकि 2 जीरोज़ हैं. हर एक y ऑफ n में जितने भी y ऑफ n रहेंगे आपके, हर एक के 2 वैल्यूज़ डिस्कार्ड करना है और बाकी आपको आंसर में लिखना है बचे हुए वैल्यूज़. अगर यहाँ पे आप 3 जीरोज़ यूज़ कर रहे हो, मतलब 3 जीरोज़, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर इसका साइज़ इसमें और एक 1 है. ओके, सो इसमें अभी इसका साइज़ कितना हो गया, 4 हो गया. सो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे, 4 - 1, सो ये 3 का बन रहा है आपका. ओके, सो 3 जीरोज़ आप यूज़ कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे आप 3 जीरोज़ दोगे तो इसका साइज़ 5 हो जाएगा. ओके, x1 ऑफ n कितना रहेगा, 5 का रहेगा. ओके, सो इन दैट केस 3 zeros, फर्स्ट 3 वैल्यूज़ ऑफ y ऑफ n, y1 ऑफ n, y2 ऑफ n, इन सब के भी फर्स्ट 3 वैल्यूज़ आपको डिस्कार्ड करना पड़ेगा और बचे हुए आपके आंसर रहेंगे ओवरलैप सेव के लिए. ओवरलैप ऐड के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, फर्स्ट 3 वैल्यूज़ स्किप करके दूसरा y2 ऑफ n लिखना है. y3 ऑफ n लिखते वक्त y2 ऑफ n के फर्स्ट 3 वैल्यूज़ आपको डिस्कार्ड मतलब स्किप करना है और उसके बाद लिखना है और सबको ऐड करना है. यू विल गेट द y ऑफ n. क्लियर हुआ ध्रुमिल?
Yes sir, yeah, clear.
Yeah. Is there any other doubt? Priyanka, are you there? Priyanka, are you there? I think नहीं है ना. Okay, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So thank you all of you for your attendance and all. I'm going to end the session. Thank you very much. And be attentive. Please be attentive from the next lecture.